Good morning, students. I hope everyone are fine. Okay. So, what you write in your what you wrote in your that FA1 exam? No one did properly. Okay. So, what's your marks? I'm seriously, I'm getting a insult. I'm getting myself only insult. Why? I'm not teaching properly for you. At least say what you are not understanding. Then I can teach better than that, right? If you are not understanding, then say directly, ma'am, we are not understanding. Then I can say everything. Again, I'll change my method, teaching method I can change, right? So if you're not saying anything means what can I understand here? By seeing your marks seriously, I feel too bad here. Only addition is there. Addition, multiplication, division also you don't know. You are in a 5th standard class. Keep it in your mind. You don't know the addition problem. Many have done mistake. Addition. You don't know addition. Seriously, I am getting what I have to say here. I don't know. Seriously, I feel very bad here because by seeing your result. Okay. So if you are doing like this only means one day you will not know the at least even no numbers also. Okay, you can't read a number also. That type will happen in future. If you are continuing like this means you don't know the number also. Again you are confusing in which one is a 1 and which one is a 2, like that you will think. This much laziness in studies, is it good for you? No. Think about that. At least 1 hour, you don't have 1 hour to study here. In 24 hours, don't you have 1 hour to study? What is there in these chapters? You only tell. First chapter and second chapter, right? So what is that in big seriousness? What is the thing in that? First one is only for numbers, number name, expanded form, all those things. You don't know if three digits will put a comma, then it is the international system. No one written that is the correct answer. Only I think one guy has written in a correct answer. That is. Okay, so be serious about your studies. Okay, so once again I'll tell everything, work it out, I'll solve here. This is a way addition and subtraction or multiplication and division is there. I don't know what is the biggest deal in that. Actually, you have to do this all the things, right? But you are not doing anything properly. You don't know addition means seriously I'm getting. If three digits are there, what is the in international system what we call for that? That is a million, right? Everyone written lakhs. Whether it is a lakhs, three digits for three digits we already are given a commas, right? So three digits means it's a according to the international system we have to write the number name. You don't know that also. How you are studying? Seriously, I don't know. If you are continuing like this means it's a very difficult to face everything in your future. Seriously, okay? So think about your future. If you want a success and if you want to do the anything, if you want to do some achievements, then please be serious about your studies. If you are doing like this mistake means you will not get anything in your life. Again you have to go to this garden and you have to do the work. Oh, which work? Labor work. You want to do labor work? If you not want to do that one, then please study properly. Then only you will get a good job. In today's generation, there will be so many competitions are there. If you get above 90% also, it's a very difficult to get a job here. Then you are doing everything is mistake. Only everyone got only 7, 8 marks. Out of 20 it is. Don't do, you only feel. You only think about yourself. What you done and what you are doing now. Leave. So work it out. Today we'll solve the work it out. Whatever the thing and what the work I am giving no, that much is enough. If you do properly that work, then you are able to solve anything here. But you are not doing it at all. then I am doing my work properly, I have satisfaction. Okay, we have to feel self satisfaction first. If you are doing, whether you are a student, right? So if you are a student means what is the work you have to do here? Your work is to study, right? Your parent is there means your father will do work in office, and they will, whatever the things do you want, no, that thing they will buy and give you, right? That is the work of a father. And what is the work of your mother? Work of a mother is they will cook and they will do the all the work in home, right? That is a mother work. And teachers, what are the teachers work? They have to teach the students, they have to teach all the lessons, and what are the given things in syllabus, and what are the other things also they will teach you, right? So every teacher doing that work right here. And what is the student work here? Student work is they have to read and write whatever the teachers they told, right? So you are doing, ask yourself, whether you are doing that one. No. Without doing, anyone give the result? No. Do you get anything here? No. If you are getting anyone, sorry, if anyone getting a salary means whether they will get simply? No. If they do work there, then only they will get a salary, right? If you are not doing any work, then who will give you salary? No one will give, right? Like that only, if you are not doing any work means how you will get the result? You will not get any results, right? So for that reason, please read properly. Whatever the things happen now, forget it about, okay? Don't think, don't worry, and don't much think about these results. Okay, already this happened, we can't do any, we can't change anything here, we can't change that paper's answers, right? So that's why don't think about that one. Now decide yourself, we have to read and we have to perfect in everything. Like that you have to think and study. Okay, minimum 2 hours or 3 hours you have to study daily, then only you can achieve anything in your life. How to achieve in life, right? So what is the use of living here? Everyone will live, right? We have to live our life in a different way. That is the our achievement. Then only we can achieve something. Otherwise we can't achieve anything here. Simply we live, simply we'll eat, and simply we'll die. Anyone remember our name? No. If you achieve something, then only your name will be famous. Then everyone remember you after your death also, right? So like that we have to do something achievements here, right? So many people are there, will remember every day, right? So you are seeing a Ambedkar serial also, right? Ambedkar serial is in going on that Zee Kanda TV, right? So everyone are seeing that Ambedkar serial. They already died, right? They did a great work in India, right? In history of that India. So everyone will remember daily ಅವರು, ಹೌದಾ? ಡೈಲಿ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ನೆನ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತಾನೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಆ ಥರ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದೆನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಅಚೀವ್ ಸಮಥಿಂಗ್, ದೆನ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ವಿಲ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ಯು ಡೈಲಿ like that with your name, right? So think like that, I have to be like that. ಓಕೆ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಶೋಸ್ನ ನೋಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನೋಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಒಂದಿನ ಆ ಥರ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಆ ಥರ ಫೇಮಸ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು, ನಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಹೌದಾ? ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆ ನಿಮಗೂ ಒಬ್ಬ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಥರ ಆ ಹೀರೋನ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಆ ಹೀರೋಯಿನನ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಹೌದಾ? ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಪರ್ಸನನ್ನು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ, ರಿಯಾಲಿಟಿ ಶೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಂಗರ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ನ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡುವಂಥ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು ಇರಬೇಕು ಲೈಫಲ್ಲಿ, ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, right? Being a fan is not important, making a fans is a very, that is the achievement. What is the meaning of achievement here, right? So being a fan is not achievement, making a fans is a achievement. ನಿಮಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಫ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅಚೀವ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಹೌದಾ? ಸೊ ಆ ಥರ ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಇವಾಗಿಂದನೇ, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಏನೂ ಬೇಡ, ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 hours or 3 hours ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೀಡ್. then you can get a success. I'll guarantee you. Okay, 100% you will get a success. At least 3 hours you have to study daily. Then only you can achieve something. Otherwise, no. Okay, nothing use of coming to school and seeing a videos. No use. If you are not interested in studies, then leave this one. Go for the government school. Why you are wasting your fees here? Think about that also, right? Your parent is giving that much money means you have to utilize from that, right? Whenever you go to the shop, you will give us some money and you will buy something, chocolates or ice creams, whatever things you will buy, right? Whether you that things have you thrown in the dustbin? Have you ever thrown in a dustbin? No, right? You will eat and you will utilize it. Even you don't given to your brother and sister also. You want to eat yourself. You are not ready to give your brother sister also. Means you gave that money and you are utilizing that money in terms of that food items, right? So like that you are giving money in school, right? So you have to use that one. That means how to use that one, you have to read properly and you have to ask questions to your teachers. Why you agree for everything? Don't you think, don't you have any questions in your mind? Why this one like this? Why this one they did like this? And why they said like this? Don't you have any questions in your mind? So think like that and ask your teachers that questions. Then only you can improve your knowledge, then only you can achieve something. So please improve your knowledge and achieve something in your life. Okay, so today decide like that and do the study properly. Okay, don't worry till that exams, leave that one, and today onwards you have to decide and do study well. Okay, shall we begin the class now? Okay, fine. That is a work it out. We solved up to MCQs questions, right? In before exam only I completed, that is MCQs questions, that is page number 47. We completed already. Now we'll go for the 48 page. Page number 48, that is a work it out problem. So we'll solve the work it out problems now. That is first one is solve the following. Whenever you are doing a problem, your concentration should be on that problem only. Don't see other sides and don't think anything in your mind. Only that problem will going on to your mind. Then only you will get the correct answers. If you are thinking about something and doing problem means whether you will get a correct answer. No, you will do wrong answers. Okay, so that's why do with the concentration. Otherwise, leave that studies and first see the TV. After that, refreshing your mind, again sit for the study. Then you can do any problems. Getting? So first solve the work it out problems. That is the first thing. That is the first question. Solve the following. First question. Solve the following. Work it out I am solving. Okay? Yeah, work it out. So addition is there. First one I will do addition. That is what they given here. 2 crore 34 lakh 65,908 plus 4 crore 54 lakh 78,564. Add that. 8 plus 4 how much? 8 plus 4, this is 12. 6 plus 7, 6 plus 1, 7. Next, 9 plus 5, it is 14. Next, 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 1, that is 14. Next, 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. So write here 14. 1 carry. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So write here 9. Okay. Next, 3 plus 5, it is 8. 3 plus 5, 8. Write here 8. 4 plus 2, what the value? 4 plus 2 is 6. So what is the answer we got here? That is 6 crore 89 lakh 44,472. Right? So 6 crore 89 lakh 44,472 is the answer. Getting? Next do the second one. Deep one. plus 32 lakh 72,8,234. 4 plus 4 how much? That is 8. 5 plus 3 8. 6 plus 2 8. 7 plus 8 15. 7 plus 8 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. Next 2 plus 1 3. 9 plus 3 12. Okay. So what answer we got here? 1,23,65,888. Right? So 1,23,65,888 is the answer. Getting how to do the addition problem here? Okay. Next go for the subtraction. See, one is subtraction they given. Do the subtraction. You have to do it yourself only. Okay. After getting the answer, you have to verify answer with the my answer, whether it is correct or not, like that. Okay. So do the seat one. 3 crore 90 lakhs 67,451 minus 2 crore 56,045,000. Okay. See here. So this is a 1 minus 1, 0. 5 minus 2, 3. 4 minus 3, 1. 7 minus 5, 2. 6 minus 4, 2. 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 minus 2, 1. What answer left here? 1 crore 34 lakh 22,130. 1 crore 34 lakh 22,130 is the answer. Getting? So go for the next question. D one. 23 lakh 23 crore 7 lakh 8,009 minus 21 crore 8 lakh 7,007. Subtract. 9 minus 7, 2. 0 here, here also 0. 8 minus 7, 1. Here 0. We can't divide 7 minus 8. 17 minus 8 is 9. Next. 10 minus 9 is 9. Sorry, 10 minus 1 is 9. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 minus 2, 0. So what answer left here? 1 crore 99 lakh 1,002. Right? 1 crore 99 lakh 1,002. That is the answer. Getting? Okay. So first main completed. Next go for the second. That is the multiplication. Second main given a multiplication problems. You have to multiply the numbers now. So I will do fast here. Okay. You already know how to do that one. So I am not giving that much explanation here. I will do fast. That is 3. Okay. 3 8s are 24, 2, 3 9s are 27, 3 4s are 12, 14, 3 5s are 15 and 16. Okay. First do it yourself and verify your answers. That is right or wrong, like that. 345 into 897. 7 5s are 35, 7 4s are 28, 31, 7 2s are 21, 24 plus 9 5s are 45, 4 carried, 8 5s are 40, sorry. 9 4s are 28, sorry, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 4 is 40, 4 carry, 9 3s are 27, 27 plus 4 is 31, plus 8 5s are 40, 4 carry, 8 4s are 32, 36, 3 carry, 8 3s are 24, 27. Now add the numbers, 5, 6, 4, 3, sorry, 3 plus 6, 9, right, 10, 50. 3,09,465 is the answer. Okay. So next seat one. For the given seat one. 4,225 and 675. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10, 12. 5 3s are 15, 16. 5 4s are 20, 21. Plus 7 4s are 35. 3 carry. 7 2s are 14. 17, 1 carry, 7 to the 21, 22, 2 carry, 7 to the 28, 30. 6 5 is 30, 3 carry, 6 to the 12, 15, 1 carry, 6 is the 18, 19, 1 carry, 6 to the 28. So 6 4 the 24, 25. 5, 7, 13, 3, 8, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 9 here, 2. What answer left here? 29 lakh, 29 lakh 19,375. Let's go for the deep one. 2,378 into 43. Right? So 3 8s are 24, 3 7s are 21, 23, 3 3s are 9, 11, 3 2 is 6, 7 plus 4 8s are 32, 3 carry, 4 7s are 28, 31 3 carry, 4 2 is 12, 15 1 carry, 4 2 is 8, 9. Right? 4, 5, 2, 12, 10. What answer left here? 1,02,254. 1,02,254 is the answer. Okay. Last question, each one. Each one. 32,876 into 232. Okay. 2 6 are 12. Next. 2 7s are 14, 15, 2 8s are 16, 17, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 is 6 plus 3 6 are 18, 1 carry, 3 7s are 21, 22, 2 carry, 3 8s are 24, 26, 2 carry, 3 2s are 6, 8, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 is there. Here also already we did a 2, right? So similar answer will get 2, 5, 7, 5, 6. Add 9, 9 to 11, 12. Here 10, 17. Next 15, 26, 15 plus 6 is 21, 22. 11, 11 plus 5, 16, 7. So what answer we got here? 76 lakh 27,232 is the answer. Getting 76 lakh 27,232 is the answer. Okay. So next main is the third main. Third main is the division problems are there, right? So do the division. Find the quotient and remainder you have to do here. That is third one. Eighth one. 3, 2, 4, 7. Okay. Divided by 564. 3, 4, 7 divided with the 564. Observe 5 are 5 4 are 20, 5 6 are 30, 32, 5 4 are 25, 28. Okay. 6 are observe. 6 4 are 28, 6 6 are 36, 38, 6 5 are 30, 33. No. It is a greater value, right? So take a 5 only. That is 2820. Here 7. 4 minus 2 is 2. 12 minus 8 is 4. 3 minus 3 is 0. Okay. So here what left here? So quotient is equal to 5 and remainder is what? 427. Like that you have to write. Getting? Okay. Go for the next question. Week 1. What the given week 1 here? 23,476 divided with the 8 value. Okay. First 8 to the 16, 8 3 is 24. We can't take a 8 3 is value here. Right? So take here a 8 to the 16. So that is 13 minus 6 is 13 minus 6, 7. 2 minus 2, 0. Next take a 4 here. 8 9s are 72. Right? 2, 0. Next take a 7. 8 3s are 24. 3 left. And next take 6. 8 4 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. So 8 4s are 32. What left here? Quotient is equal to 2934 and remainder is 4. This is the answer. Like that we have to do the division problems. Okay. So next one, go for the third one. See one. 23. 23 how much are? 23 4s are what? 23 4s are. 23 4s are 92. Okay. Now take here 4. So we can't divide with the 4 values. So put a 0 and take the next values. 23 2s are 46. So we can't take that. 23 1s are 23 and 2 here 1. Next to 123 it is. So what value we have to going to take here? That is a 23 9s are what? 9 2s are 27 and 18 plus 2 is, sorry, this is 4 minus 2 is 2, right? So we can divide with the 9 value, that is 207. 13 minus 6 is, sorry, 7 is 6. 2 minus 1 0. So what is the quotient here? That is 4090 and remainder is 16. Okay, like this we have to do the division. Getting or not, I am not explaining here. Why? Already I did everything, every exercise I solved here. This is a work it out I am solving here, right? Work it out means what it is? All the exercise problems included and mixed and they given in a work it out. Like this a work it out. You only solve this work it out. Okay? So, verify, solve yourself and verify your answers. Next, last one. Each one. What they given? Each one. Sorry, D 53,212 divided by 34. Okay. Everyone seeing right? Okay, fine. 34. 34 ones are 34. 30 minus 4 is 9. 5 minus 4 is 1. Take here 2. 34 3s are chuck. 34 3s are 3 4s are 12, 3 is a 9, 10. So no, we can't take 34 6 are 6 4s are 24, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 2 is 20. So this is a bigger value. 34 5s are take. 5 4s are 20, 5 3s are 18, 18 plus 2 is 400. So it is as a bigger value. So 4s are take. 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. Okay. So we can't take a wait, 4 4 is 16, 4 is 12 plus 13. And what is this value? 5 4 is 20, 5 is 15, 15 plus 2, right? It is 7. 15 plus 2 is 170 it is. So next here 6 4s are 24, 6 is 18, yeah, this is that. So 34 5s are we can't take, that is a 170 is there, so we can't take that. 34 5s are 170. Here 2, 9 minus 7 is 2, 0. Next take the value 1. Okay. So now 221 means 34 7s are chuck. Because 34 6 are 204 is there. Chuck for the 7 to the 28, 7 to the 21, 21 plus 2 is 32. 238 we got 34 7s are. So we can't take that one. 34 6 are we can take. So 34 6 are what is the value? That is 204. So that is 11 minus 4 is 7, 2 minus 1 is 1, 0. Next take the 2 value. Okay. So 170, that is a 5 value only take. 170, 0. So what is the quotient here? Quotient is equal to 1565 and remainder is, this is the answer. Getting everyone this problem? Okay, fine. So do like this only. This is a very easy problem only. How to do division you have to know, because you are in a 5th standard. Okay, so this much, solve this much in a HW, that is a homework for you. We'll meet in the next class. Okay, thank you everyone.